water boiling on the stove. And while we're doing that, well, I'm going to have some lunch before I head out to the tree stand. I got another trick that I do as I'm getting ready for my lunch. I always bring a thermos. I actually bring two of them. I bring these two. When I say I've gone through 2 thermoses, I go through them. This is about a cup of coffee, and this is about a cup and a half. But what I do is, this is a silver around here, so I wrap camouflage duct tape, but that's not really what I'm showing you. When you fill this up with coffee and then you get out in your tree stand, there's a rubber gasket on the bottom of this cover, and as you turn it, now it's not going to make any noise right now because I've already done the trick, but as you turn it, this rubber gasket that you see right around the edge there, that rubber gasket makes a lot of noise, a squeaking noise, when you're opening it. So it's nice to have a cup of coffee, but the last thing that you want is a thermos that gives away your position by squeaking every time you open it up. So over on the shelf, I've got a bottle of cooking oil. And you can use butter, margarine, whatever you got at your cabin. You can use anything. But I use cooking oil. And I stick my finger in the cooking oil, and then I run my finger around this gasket with cooking oil. And when I put it in here, then that keeps it from squeaking. You know, you can take this out of your day bag, which I have hanging on a nail, and you can open it up just a little bit, and then I can pour my coffee out without that gasket in there squeaking and scaring the deer. So I just I don't know if anybody has that same problem that I have with these thermoses, but if you got a squeaking thermos, that's how I remedy the problem. So I just wanted to pass that on. It's just a little, we'll call it the tip of the day, My water is just about ready to boil, so I'm going to pour that into that cup of soup. And I'll be bringing, I'm going to bring a thermos of hot chocolate tonight. I had a thermos of hot chocolate out there the other day. It's been a while since I had a thermos of hot chocolate on a hunt. Because I've been taking tea and coffee. But that hot chocolate, that really hit the spot and tasted really good. So I'm going to do that again.